What is good, YouTube? Dinno here, and today we hit 200 subscribers. Let's go, baby! Thank you so much for all the support lately. I really feel like we just hit 100, so it's insane that we're already at 200. So thank y'all so much. So, let's get right into the video. Okay. So today we will be reviewing the Akko CS Vintage White Switches. Now these are a really nice switch by Akko, and they're really budget just like the Rose Reds, coming in at around 22 cents per switch. You can also get these on Amazon with Prime shipping for a bit more if you want that really nice faster shipping. By the way, that's what I did. The Akko Vintage Whites have a classic bread and butter polycarbonate top and nylon bottom housing with a palm stem. But the spring is probably the most unique part of this switch. The spring of the Vintage Whites is a really extremely crazy light 35 grams. It even says that it's an ultralight linear on Amazon. Now, the spring is 22 millimeters long, which is actually longer than the other Akko switches. They are a 3-pin plate mount switch. The Akko Vintage Whites are kind of scratchy out of the box and definitely benefit from lubing. They're a little bit scratchier than Rose Reds. I don't know why, but they just are. And there's no need to film these. Matter of fact, my NovelKeys films don't even fit, just like the Rose Reds. And that's really nice because it takes out a lot of hassle. But I think it's time for a sound test. So let's drop it right about now. Alright, so what do I think about the Akko Vintage White Switches? I think that these are excellent switches for gaming, but not really at all for typing. I think they are way too light for typing, but almost perfect for gaming, because when you're gaming, I don't know about y'all, but I definitely want a really light, fast actuating linear switch, which these pretty much are. They're extremely light, like I said earlier. They have that 35 gram spring. They are ultralight. And it's crazy. I feel like I'm just resting my fingers and it can type them. So if you do type insanely light, then yes, these are a really nice switch because they're really smooth once you lube them. And you don't have to film them. The wobble is really minimal if you do use those SA MT3 high profile caps. And another thing that I realized though is that they're really clacky and high pitched, but with a really snappy return. But that's all for now, guys. Peace out. Hey guys, Dinno here from the Dark Void. Thank you so much for 200 subscribers. I'm so happy and thankful that we hit this new milestone. But unfortunately, it is getting harder and harder to make videos as the basketball season continues. So sorry about that, guys. But that's all for now. Thank you so much, and see you later.